Hey guys, it's Cam. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's been a hot minute since I've done a wig review on YouTube. I am now doing my wig reviews on TikTok. Follow me at I am Cam's Hair. You can see all my reviews there. But I am back with a wig review specifically for the company Wequeen Hair. So this company has reached out to me and wanted to collaborate on a ombre color 13x4 water wave wig. And as you can see here, I have the wig here. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love this ombre look. It is a lace front human hair wig. It has 4 combs on the insides, 2 at the sides, 1 in the middle, 1 at the bottom, and it does have adjustable straps. Always a plus. It does have 4 inches of parting space, like I said earlier. It did come pre-bleached. I did not bleach this unit. And it is 20 inches in length. The texture is water wave. So let's get into this wig review to see what this is going to look like. I'm excited. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like on. I did use the Sally Hansen airbrush for leg spray on the inside of the unit just to tint the lace a little bit lighter. And I'm also gonna go in and use some pressed powder on the part once I figure out which way I want this wig to lay. So let's go ahead and cut the lace.
What you doing? What you doing? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. You got plans. Don't say that. Shut your trap. I'm sipping wine. Sip, sip. In a robe. Trip, trip. I look too good. Look too good to be alone. My house clean. House clean. My pool warm. Pool warm. Just shake. Smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. That you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight, I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, what you smoke? I got the haze. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay these arms, I'ma leave the door open. that you're coming through.
Hey guys, it's Cam. I'm back. I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on this unit now that it's on. The curl pattern is super pretty. I love the color. The highlights are in the perfect place. The hairline is really nice. It was easy to maneuver to create some baby hairs, say baby waves, baby hairs in the front. I really love the length. The length is 20 inches. So there you guys go. So this unit turned out to be really cute. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something with some color, some vibrance, and a easy to put on and go kind of a look, or the wet and go look. You can totally do it with this unit. So check Wequeen hair out. I will drop the link in the description box for you guys to the direct site so you can order this unit if you do like it. Also, be sure to follow me on TikTok at I Am Cam's Hair. Also, please be sure to click the like and subscribe button to support my channel. I really thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.